Guys, I'm sad. Okay. I'm sad because today is the last day with Brenda. Okay. She's going to the panel beaches. Okay. So the guys will take her for like 3 days or two, which will be today and Tuesday. Should be done Wednesday. So hopefully they finish nice and early Wednesday. And I will be using public transport, so I intend on recording some videos. Gonna be using the taxi again, Quantum Way. So yeah, it should be interesting traveling with a taxi and balancing boxing. Also, I have news to tell you guys about the boxing. I don't know when, but I'm gonna drop a video soon about that. But yeah, saying goodbye to Brenda for a few days, and I should be getting used to using public transport for like 2 days. Today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. So yeah. Cry with me, guys. Brenda's leaving. Damn. Bye, Budia Kala. The Kala is groot, man. Yeah. Siyahamba isithando sami. Ya ne. Hayi ke. Ixesha lifikile. I have to say goodbye to my baby, bro. Just taking my shit now. Yes. Yeah, I get pregnant. I've been born after 3 days, ton of some. I love you. And the Kamula. Okay? Yeah. Gonna miss you, but I'll see you soon. Alright. We will be reunited soon again, my baby. I feel like I need that more than she does, actually. Kalisjan. All right. Let me go, bro. Let me say goodbye to Brenda and just go. Last ride with my brr. Where is this international camera shop? I feel like it's down here. I'm good, man. How are you?
Good.
Yeah. I'm shooting. I hope you don't mind.
Oh, no, it's fine. It's
Cool,
fine.
cool. Yeah. So here she is. I don't know. This is the part where I just hand over the keys, I guess.
Yes,
Please
yes.
just take the access card out for me, please, man. That's the last thing I needed to do. See, there's a nice German spec over there that you guys are working on.
Oh, yeah. That guy did quite a raw deal to that car.
Thanks. What was wrong with it?
No, he drove from Joburg, but he wiped the whole bumper out and also damaged right down the side.
Heck.
Plus the suspension, you can see the tires skew on the side. So
That's crazy. So if you guys start now, you said like Wednesday, but I don't know what like
yeah,
morning Wednesday or afternoon. What do you think
it's
it will
best for
be?
us to just let you know. So like by Tuesday we'll know where we are.
Mm-hmm.
Then by the Wednesday we can say to you, okay, so it's Wednesday like 10 o'clock or 11 or 12 or 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you let me know. No worries. Besides, like the office is like a walk away.
Yes.
So I'll probably just pop in. Cause yeah, this is probably the first time me and her are separated. So yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
That's another one of the cars we worked on as well.
Yeah. Is that? I actually checked on you guys' website. You guys have a lot of German specs that you guys worked on.
Yeah.
Especially on the website.
That one there was actually that the left front door was actually supposed to be replaced.
Is it?
But we worked on that car about roughly a year ago, so you can even see now what our paint will be.
You said left front. This one.
So basically it was this door here. But we blended into this door and we blended into this fender.
The fender.
Yeah.
Okay. Nah, I like you guys' work. It's pretty neat.
But this door was like hit in like.
Is it?
Yeah,
Just bad.
Like very bad. Like it was warped. Yeah.
Speaking of, how different damages, right, will probably take different periods of time to fix, and the procedures. I just wanted you to walk me through what you guys will be doing on my car.
I can give
Just-
you some basic idea.
Yeah.
But the thing is that without getting too complicated.
Yeah.
The basic point is to just pull the dent out.
Yeah.
And then to use a kind of a body putty then to do the final molding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. For the probably tighter edges.
Yes.
That's where the putty comes in, eh?
Yes, and also for like just the general damage. Like
Okay.
You can see it's creased here and
Yeah.
here and along here as
Yeah.
well.
Okay. No, cool.
Have you never been apart from your car?
No.
Okay.
That's why.
Is this the first time you're repairing your car?
This is the first time I'm repairing my car.
Okay, makes sense.
Sure. Ni nani. Njekanjalo Brenda. Gone. 2 series level now.
Ik krijg jou ook.
Ja, ik krijg jou.
I'm going to have a change one. Come on, change Ross. Bless it.
Siphathele sonke mos.
Bless it.
Nanku umuntu ephangela. Unjike umuntu phakathi. Ngiyabana la moya.
So, need to get it up. Alright, baby. Thank you. Yeah, mom.
Love you.
Been a minute, man.
Love you, baby.
Sure.
Bye. Love you.
Love you. Guys, I'm tired of my videos getting striked, so I'm going to sing the songs that I want to add. What better in this too? It's a rabbit in this zone now. You never know what it you go now. Bang bang, everybody keep the flow now. Everybody flow now. It's a rabbit, all eyes on me. Yeah. Day one without Brenda.
Tough time never lasts. Only tough people last.